how to fix transaction error in Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you're gonna have to go ahead to do is check your Sol balance, because Phantom runs on Solana. So even if you're transacting with SPL tokens like UDSC or more, you still need SOL for the gas fees. So make sure you have enough SOL in your wallet. Even a small amount like 0.01 Sol is usually enough. But when you're going ahead and transferring or swapping tokens, when you're using on the swap settings over here, take note that coin price fluctuates a lot because of market volatility. So if the transaction doesn't occur or doesn't happen before you get to confirm, then it is most likely for it to become an error or for the transaction to error. So in order to change this and maybe potentially fix this, you could either retry the transaction, you can retry doing it, or you can go ahead and increase your slippage. As you can see, there is options over here, but you can go ahead and choose an optional slippage. There's also the automatic function over here, which should increase your chances of decreasing that error message to appear. There's also the option over here to change your provider. So just go ahead to the bottom right corner to the search bar, search for a different provider in order to avoid that error. And of course, the more basic reasons why there's an error is because of your network status, or maybe you have a bad internet connection. So you can just go ahead and check just in case you have internet problems. You can also go ahead and clear cache or reset the app, because sometimes the wallet glitches due to your local cache. It's usually just done over here in your settings. Just go ahead and search for apps. Look for either manage apps or just the apps in general. Search for Phantom over like this. Just go ahead and press the bottom right corner where it says clear data and then clear cache. So clearing cache should fix the glitch if it was caused by local cache. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.